Just like a star across my sky, just like an angel of the pale.
Hello beautiful people, it's Ava here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce you to the newest collection in one of my favorite brands, Sulwhasoo. So Sulwhasoo is a brand that I grew up seeing my mom use all the time, and that's still the only brand that she exclusively uses. They're known for their herbal and medicinal elements in their skincare and based on years and years and years of R&D. So I really trust their products. The only thing about their products is that some of their medicinal smell may not be as attractive to other people. I personally love that because I feel like it's like healing my skin. But their newest collection is the Bloomstay Vitalizing Line, and it comes in this gorgeous pink packaging, and it really does smell like a floral, young, fresh scent. They come with 3 products: the water, the serum, and their moisturizer. Very simple yet effective. Everything can be done in 3 steps. As we head into spring, not only is this pink, but also I want to kind of make my routine simple and more lightweight. So this is the perfect collection to use into spring and summertime. The main ingredient in all 3 of these products is this plum blossom extract that really has powerful antioxidant properties to revive dull skin and have that glowy looking skin as we head into a warmer weather. So I just want to show you guys how I use these products on a daily routine. You can use this either morning or night, and it's suitable for all skin types. First things first, I always go in with the Sulwhasoo First Care Activating Serum. Although this is a serum, you use this right after cleansing your face. So this really preps your skin for the next layers to come. Comes in a sticky texture like this. It's got that signature ginseng medicinal smell to this. Applies so nicely. It's like a very, very lightweight serum. So apply that all over your face, and now your skin is ready for the important next steps to come. So the first step of this routine is the Vitalizing Water. This comes in a very lightweight, watery, yet a little bit of an essence-y texture. So it's the perfect lightweight toner that you need. Just apply that, and this is made with their signature plum blossom as well as yuja extract, and the yuja extract actually helps prevent the moisture loss from your skin. Sometimes I apply 2 at night, but during the day I just apply 1 light layer, and I feel like that is plenty. And also the water is made with a flexible water technology that allows your skin to absorb this instantly. See, 1 light layer and it doesn't feel sticky in any way. I just feel like there's like nothing on my skin now. So now that the water is done, we're going in with the next step, which is the serum. The serum comes in a very honey-like thick texture. Look at that. Very honey-like, but 1 light layer goes a really long way. This is an enriched serum that contains their signature plum blossom and also is made with their 5 fruits and seeds complex to really vitalize your whole skin. These 2 ingredients combined together really have a synergistic effect to vitalize and improve your skin's overall dullness. We're all sick of the cold, dry weather in the winter, so this is the perfect routine to step into the spring. Absorbs so nicely, and even though it was like a honey-like texture, you absolutely have no sticky texture at all. And now the last step of the routine is the Bloomstay Vitalizing Moisturizer. It's their cream and it comes at $155. This really helps to prevent signs of aging and prevent your skin from multiple aggressors like sun, pollution, whatnot. So it's perfect for me living in New York City. I absolutely adore the texture of this cream. I actually haven't been really using moisturizer these days, but this is pretty lightweight in a way that I would actually use this during the springtime as a light layer. So this is once again made with their signature plum blossom as well as the earlier 5 fruits and extract to really improve the skin's dullness. And lastly, it's got their 5 hardy yuja and orange complex to really lock that last layer of moisture. As you saw, I really used very little, and I'm just going to spread that all over my face because I don't want that thick layer. But this really acts as a great like a makeup primer in a way, because it applies so well under makeup during the day, and at night if you want another layer, just put a thicker layer on, and that gets like overnight hydration on. Alright guys, so that was a simple 3-step routine. I'm using this morning and night and my skin is looking so happy after this. I'm so happy that Sulwhasoo came up with this Bloomstay Vitalizing Line for those who may be sensitive to the smell. You guys have to smell this, so it's a perfect springtime routine for you to add to your collection. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel like Glow with Ava. Follow me on Instagram, hit that like button, and until next time, I will see you.